Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. I got a new LED desk light. It is from Litones. It is the H01, and I'll tell you, it's one of my most favorite desk lights I've ever come across. Before that, I was using Litones desk light right here, and this I've been using probably for over 4 years. Never had any problem with it. Just loved it. And now Litones made a new desk light, and I'll tell you, wow. Let's get right into the details. All right, right now I'm only using this light right here in my studio. All the other lights are turned off, and this light is shining at me, but you can also see this part right here. It's also illuminating the back of the light, which is cool. So it's lighting this direction and this direction. All right, here's another view of my desk right now. As you can see, that light is illuminating my whole desk and work area right here. I'm gonna raise this desk up here. And I really like it. It's nice for working at night. It's soft on the eyes, doesn't hurt your eyes at all. And again, you can adjust the brightness and the color temp on this. All right, here's a close-up look of the controller. It takes 3 AAA batteries. It's really nice looking. It has a nice rubber bottom right here so it won't scratch your desk, and just has a nice clicky feel. So you can click that on to turn the light off. Now I can turn it back on. You can control the brightness, so I can put the brightness all the way down, or I can bring it up just like that. And then you can also change the color temperature. All you have to do is press and hold it, and then you can rotate it. So you can change the colors of the light. Here you got an orange, and now I got my bright white light there. So yeah, it's a really nice looking controller. On top of the light right here, you have your on and off switch and the other modes that you can use. So right here, you can see how the base fits really nice on my desk right here. And you can fasten that nice and tight. This part is rubber. And also there's a rubber underneath this part here, so it won't scratch your desk. Here is a hinge. Here is where the power cord goes into. And then another hinge right here. And then another hinge right here, and this will also rotate. So once you rotate it, it stays in place. So right here, you can either rotate it or bend it down or up. And here, you can also rotate it. Little hinge right here, and another place to rotate it. And then you can move this part here. So a lot of cool and different options that you can adjust your light to your desk. So comparing the two Litones right here, this is the newer model. Again, it just has a little bit sleeker design to it. I like the fact that it has a light coming from this direction and also pointing to my desk. On the older one, just had one side for the light, which isn't bad. I still like this light right here. And then you have this flat design right here. It's been holding up great, like I said, for about 4 years. I haven't had any problem with it. I like the wide angle here. Really lights up my desk, but this is becoming my favorite just because of all the other options it has, and also the controller that it came with. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you check out Litones and all their products. I've been happy with their customer support, and especially the H01. It makes it really comfortable at night, especially when I'm working online. Just a nice, comfortable work environment. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show, and we'll talk to you later. Adios! Goodbye!